Hi everyone. Today we talk about a different feature with visitors. So we're going to click on visitor option. So first screen is visitor information. There is the list who with you means it's already in your society to coming to meet with you or is going out. So whoever in this current person visitor list, current active visitor list who are actively in your society now. Next, allow kids. This is one of the most important feature for your safety purpose. Kids are not allowed to go outside to from your premises without any attendant. So it's we have to making sure that the attendants are authorized and it defined by you. So how it will happen? So when I click on this, we if I choose in this property, and by default you're going to choose I have only one kids in this list, so I'm choosing one. So kids, if you allow the alone, then it will you can choose, you click on yes. If no, then we have to simply select the person name. I'm going to put the one of my friends name, and definitely we have to choose this image. Okay, then we have to give your date and time when this won't happen. Click on that. You will choose the periodically, so by what time it have she or he will go. So I'm choosing 8 a.m. and periodic from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. So I'm going to select 8:30 a.m. Okay, I'm going to save now. Okay, so if you want to change anything, you can click on edit and do the needful changes. And if you want to stop the cancel this, cancel one. So this is the one of the most important feature for your child safety. This is the another feature of guest information. So I'll take a small time to talk about more about this. If you're going to invite some 2 or 10 people or something like that, so what's going to happen from the society gate? They'll keep calling you and asking about permission to allow this visitor to go in. Intercom keep ringing and it's keep disturbing you. So once you're going to invite anyone, you send the respectively card. At the same time, you can send create the list in this. So how it will create? It's very simple. Choosing number. If you have number in the mobile box, you can choose from your contact. I'm going to type here one random number. Please provide his name, given the gender, photo is coming from Kolkata, purpose, party with him is also 2%, and I'm going to choose the again date, the 17th. It's from 5 p.m. Sorry, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, now so actually there is two option: visitor verify yes and out verify yes. Actually, if you choose a no and in or out verification, that at the same time you will receive the notification in your app the guest is coming and waiting at gate to meet with you, and you'll get the notification. Once the notification received by you and acknowledged, then only security guys can allow to go inside. It's up to your choice. You can choose yes or no as coming out or going, coming inside your premises or going out from your premises. So this is the done. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and the guest list created. When you want to delete, click on delete button. If you want to do any changes like time, might be name, number, duration, anything, date change, anything, you can do it. And if there is the revisit option in this, I'm going to talk about this revisit. So what is the revisit here? I don't want, we have a plan such a way, this app, if the same person going to visit next time, you just click on this, the detail will populate here, and you're going to change as per something, might be going to change only dates, because why are you going to feel the repeatedly same thing? So you're going to change, might be you have a number of visitor reduced at the time, so that was the time have some other purpose, so that you can change this purpose time right now. And might this time is coming with his family, so you can give the number of visitor with him. I'm going to choose in the date and the time, 8 a.m. in between 10 a.m. Okay, and so on. Good. So this is the one of the important feature about that. If you guys have any query, any any kind of help, please feel free to ask us. Okay, the last one, visitor transaction. So this will help you to find out the at a particular period how many person visited to you. Okay, so this many are. So you can see here. I'm going to choose once again. Okay, so this is a list. So these are the many feature about the guest. You can track your guest, you can have the list of guests, you can control your kid safety, you can control your guest list. So it's already predefined, it's going to help you in a many way. Please, I have we have many channel for connecting with us, WhatsApp, social media, website, FAQ. Feel free to have any queries about that, we will happy to answer. Thank you.